Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how we can easily use Exness trading platform. Exness trading platform is what I think easy to use, and I believe after watching this video you will know exactly how to use it. If you're first time here and you want to try Exness, you will find the link for registration down below in the description, and if you're gonna click on it and register for it, you will support this channel and myself too. So without further ado, let's start. So here I am in Exness, and I'm going to straight away click to web trading. Here, what I can find here, so this is really important. On the top, this is a demo account. I'm going to show you how you can do everything. But what I will do, I will remove my camera for now. So when you're going to enter here, you can on left side find watch list. Watch list is watch list of stocks, cryptos, exotic, for Forex, metals, majors, and all the things that you can trade that we would see on the left side on the watch list. Then you would find portfolio, and this is the portfolio of open positions. Then you would have history of orders and transactions, and then you're gonna have also options to have a download MetaTrader and connect MetaTrader to Exness. And if you want, I can create a tutorial on that too. So this is what you would find on the left side, and also support. So when I'm going to close it, I'm going to have a lot of, on the top, a lot of open, let's say pairs, etc. But let's say we want to add right now some stock here. So I'm going to click here stocks, and I have Adobe. So I'll click on it, and in a moment when you're going to click on Adobe, let's say, where you would find the bid, the ask, and the change, you can also add it to favorites. And if you're gonna add it to favorites, then you can simply go on the stocks here and click your favorites, and you would find it here, which you added. And here I have Adobe, and what I can find here. So I'm going to show you the graph now, and then on the right side I will show you how you can actually buy it. So here you're gonna have options to easily have a dot, or cross, or arrow, or eraser. Then you can simply have a trend line on arrow, let's say, and like this, and you can easily create all lines here and all the things that you want. Then you can also change, what I really like, you can change the size of it. It's a dashed line. You can change also the settings of the arrow, and whatever you're gonna add. Also you can lock it or remove it, or even clone it. So you can see you can do a lot here, and that's what I like about Exness. It's complex. So right now when I go further, I can see also add simply, let's say, fib circles, fib spiral, and all these. Then you're gonna have also options to have a highlighter, ellipse, path, curve, polyline. So this is what you can do here. Now if you want me, I can create these videos on how you can use them, of course, but this is just what you can find here. Then you can add simply text here, see, and you can move it and have like your own information. Then you can have a long position, short position, forecast, bars pattern, and then you can have like emojis here that you can add. Then you see also like this, you can add it, and this is like the zoom in and zoom out just on this specific, and then you're gonna go back, right? So you can zoom in and zoom out, and then you're gonna have the weak magnet, strong magnet here, see, and right now we got these points here. Then stay in drawing mode, or lock all drawing tools, or hide all drawings. So that's what you can do, or remove drawings. So right now I remove everything. So this is how you can pretty much do it. Now you can of course change it to minutes. You can have a bars, you can have bars, lines here. Also if you want, you can have area. let's say I'm going to have days here. I mean, Adobe dropped a lot, or weeks. And then you're gonna have indicators, what you can use. So here you would find all the indicators and also the templates. So you can have also the bar replay if you want. So now let's say we have this here, and let's say on a right side you're gonna have the market and pending. So let's say we have it right here, and I'm going to choose it to hours, or even let's say minutes. And right now we're gonna click volume in lots, or in currency, or in a units, or in margin. So let's say I'm going to be in units. So let's say that I'm going to have 5 shares, and you can have auto close, or let's say I'm going to be volume, you can choose, let's say, in currency. So let's say 2000, and then I can have about asset price, the auto close, and you can take profit. So let's say the take profit is going to be on 380 and stop loss 365, right? And now you see also the leverage on the bottom, and you can simply click buy here, right? And you can see we got a 2000 USD here, and you can have auto close on or off. And always in left side of portfolio, I can have the Adobe. You can always modify the order, and that's pretty much it, right? And same when you would have the Euro USD here, and again I would have $2,000 or volume in units. You can have auto close, and again I can simply turn on the auto close and buy it. And you always wanna have the currency, the units, the margin, the pip value. So same what we have with Adobe right now. You can always find it right here. So currency, units 5 shares, margin, add, and stop loss, right? So you can always do this, but I can have volume in units, and look what will happen, 10 shares. That's a margin right there, and then you're gonna see also the add. And this is really great that you can like overview and find some understanding. So let's say I'm going to have 10 shares, and right now it's 374, but let's say I'm going to buy 20 shares, and I want to have take profit at 400, and you can see that right now for 20 shares it's going to be 7,480, and then in money I would make 560, and stop loss it's 180. So that's pretty good. Now I can simply buy. And that's how you can do it, right? Same here. So I can have volume in a units, let's say, and you would have currency, units, margin, pip value, or you can easily have auto close here, and automatically you're gonna have set, let's say, right? And if it's going to be 1.05, I would make 50 bucks. And how simple is that, right? So you're always going to find a margin there. And that's pretty much it. So if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And I close the orders right there. So thank you and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.